Experiencing intermittent internet with Rogers? You're not alone. These issues often stem from packet loss and poor SNR, signal to noise ratio. Packet loss occurs when data fails to reach its destination, leading to lag and disruptions, especially in real-time applications. Common causes include misconfiguration, software issues, faulty connections, and more. SNR measures your signal quality. An ideal range is 30 to 40 dB. Lower SNR means more errors and disconnections. As shown in this graph, the difference between signal and noise determines quality. These problems are common in Rogers' hybrid fiber cable network, particularly in urban areas like Toronto and Vancouver, where older infrastructure struggles to maintain consistent performance. This diagram shows the complex flow of data through various network components. This section provides essential background to understand why these issues occur so you can start to resolve them. Consider using tools like ping tests or Wi-Fi analyzers to measure SNR and packet loss yourself. Let's fix it. First, check your modem's signal levels by accessing its interface, usually at 192.168.100.1. Look for downstream SNR values below 25 dB, which indicate a problem. This interface shows your signal status. Ensure all coaxial cables are in good condition and tightly connected. Replace any corroded splitters. A simple modem restart can often resolve temporary glitches. If problems persist, contact Rogers support. They may need to update your modem's firmware or send a technician to check the line. VPNs may also help as a temporary workaround. As Rogers continues its fiber optic rollout, these issues should decrease, but proactive troubleshooting can improve your connection today. Make sure all devices connected to your Rogers modem are up to date on software.